I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Accuracy is non-negotiable. At PD Tech, we ensure your records are IRD ready and perfectly reconciled.
Watch this video to learn how to set up untracked inventory items in Xero. Add untracked inventory items in Xero for services your business regularly provides, like hourly labor or fixed delivery costs. To add an untracked inventory item, click Sales, then select Products and Services. Then click New Item. Fill in the item details. In this example, we'll add an item for a half-day photo shoot. Start with a unique item code. This is our first inventory item, so we'll enter 001. Then, add the item name, which won't show on any documents and is for internal purposes only. We'll add half-day shoot. Keep the Track Inventory Item checkbox unticked, as in this video, we're setting up an untracked inventory item. If you buy the item that you're setting up, leave the Purchases checkbox selected. In this example, as we're adding an item for a service we don't buy, we'll untick the checkbox. Then, keeping the Sell checkbox selected, fill out the details. We'll enter the sale price as $750, then click the Sales Account drop-down and choose our photoshoot income account. Check the tax rate is correct. You can use the drop-down to choose a more appropriate code, if needed. In the description field, add the text you want to appear on invoices, quotes, and receive money transactions when you use the item. We'll enter half-day photoshoot. Once you've completed all the relevant details, click Save. Now your new item appears in your inventory list. To import multiple untracked inventory items at once, click the Import drop-down and choose Items. You can either download Xero's template or import your own file. For this example, we'll click Download Template to use Xero's CSV file. Read the tips for importing to ensure Xero can import the template successfully once you've completed it. Use the handy Guide on Importing for more information. Then, open the downloaded template. The template has a list of column headers. Item code is the only mandatory column, but we recommend adding all the relevant details in the file to save time, adding it after the import. First, add the item code and item name. For untracked inventory items, leave the Purchases columns blank. Then, enter the sales description, sales unit price, sales account, and tax rate. Make sure the account and tax rate exactly match existing sales accounts and tax rates in Xero, otherwise the import may fail. Ensure you leave the Inventory Asset account and Cost of Goods Sold account blank so your items aren't tracked. Once your file is ready, save it as a CSV. Back in Xero, drag and drop, or click Select File to choose the file, then click Next. Xero checks the information and highlights any errors you need to fix to make sure everything is imported correctly. When you're happy with the data, click Complete Import. Set up and use untracked inventory items to speed up creating sales invoices for items you regularly sell.